friends, welcome back. This is the Keeping It Real makeup collaboration. And on today's video, we are doing a day to night makeup refresh look. And I thank you so much for stopping in. So friends, I am going to do an easy look. I'm refreshing my hair and just doing some water refresh to loosen up my hair. Now, what I'm doing today, I will not be doing no foundation, no lashes, no eyeshadows. Guys, just trying to keep it to an everyday look and no wig. Friends, in my everyday look, I'm not going to be using foundation. Really, be honest with you, it's just a little too hot for it. But just make sure that your face is well moisturized and conditioned before you even put anything on your skin. Now, I am going to still use a little bit of primer because I'm going to just be using my concealer. Friends, these ladies look beautiful in my opening video, and our host is Miss Michelle from the Age Grateful channel. I would love for you to go and check their channels out. Their links will be in my description box. This is my e.l.f. color correction stick, and I use this for under my eyes just to remove the little dark circles. This is my e.l.f. concealer. And in your everyday look, you don't want to have a heavy hand. And sometimes my hand do get a little heavy. But if you're going out to work, or you're going out to the store, or even just going out for a brunch, you just want just something, just to give you a little enhancement. That's it. And I'll be honest with you, I really don't put on concealer and certain things on my everyday look when I'm around the house. I just condition my skin. But being that this is a video, I just put on just a little bit more for my day look. Friends, I apologize for the light in the back. I had it sitting there, but I didn't realize that it was off balance a little bit. I was just trying to make sure that the video have more light. Thank you so much for watching. And the transition powder and the concealer is just in case, like if you're going out or you might be going, to a job, or maybe just going to the store, you still want to look your best. And this is also a simple look, ladies, and even, we do videos, you get on these videos, just do a little something quick. You don't have to do as much as I'm doing, but just do a little something quick, even if you're just using a little lip gloss, just something a little quick. And here I'm just using my contour stick for my eyes, to put a little color there. final time after put on the lashes, I do have a lash, I think it's called concealer that I use, but sometimes I don't use it, and it helps, you know, to thicken and bring your eyelashes out. This lip gloss is from EYESHADOW. This is the one that plumps your lip that I did a preview on, and I'm getting a little better used to it. And Miss Michelle told me, said that I think they put a little sting from the bee in it, but it's not as bad after, you know, a while. It's not as strong on your lips, but it does help your lips to, you know, get a fluff to it, if I can say it like that, but it's not too bad. And friends, if you put too much powder on a foundation, you can do the paper towel technique. And I ended up doing that a little bit because I put too much of the transition powder on. I didn't need too much. Now, this is the finished look, guys. But let me tell you why I'm shining. Because I put on the Glow Dewy Mist Spray from e.l.f. And I did have to balance it. So I ended up using my matte one. But through it all, this is my day look. So tell me what you think about that. I put my earrings on. And guys, you can just look nice without the wigs, the eyelashes, the eyeshadow, the foundation. You know, we got some good skin. You got some good skin? Go ahead and flaunt it. And this is my night look. Guys, just add some lipstick to it. So guys, tell me what you think. Thank you so much for all my friends and followers. And if you're new here, I would love for you to subscribe. Just know God loves you. You be blessed. And I will leave you some more videos in my end screen. Y'all have a blessed and prosperous day from Penny. Bye-bye.